Hello students, now we will solve the second problem in the isometric projection. The given component is a prismatic. It consists of rectangles, lines and do not consist of any circles. So I am starting the diagram from the left side. I am enabled the isoplane and switched my plane to isoplane left. So I am picking the line command, enabled ortho projection. So starting from left 80 mm length, then the height is 50 mm, then the width of the right hand side portion is overall width is here 80 and this portion is 50, so remaining is 30, so 30 millimeter. Enter. Then downward direction 30, then the width of the slope portion is 25. Enter. Then the overall height, so overall height is 75. Base height is, for example, here 50 minus of 30 20, so this distance is 20. Okay, so 20 20 75 minus of 20 55, so 55 is the this height 55. Then continuing the width value 25, then downward direction and complete it. Okay, now we completed the left hand side plane. So now I am changing the plane towards top side, then draw the top features. So enable the ortho mode, 60 millimeter length line, then this line is 50, then coming to 20 millimeter, it is 20 millimeter line. Now disable the ortho mode and draw the slope line, escape, then continue the line. Now I am changing the view, sorry, I will continue the remaining part also, this line. This is 25, enable the ortho mode, this horizontal line of 25 millimeter length, then complete this remaining portion, right angle portion, then disable the ortho mode, complete the slope line. Okay, so here some portion is invisible, that portion I am trimming now. And from the top, okay, so from here I draw the uh, remaining part of the diagram, top portion, and this is 60 millimeter, and the remaining portion is 80 minus of 50, this is 30. Then completing this top rectangle, and here looking the right hand side, a pocket is there, so up to 20 we have to draw it. Then we have to go inside 15 millimeter, and remaining the pocket length is 20. Then coming again outside 15 millimeter, completing the top portion. Okay, then this vertical line we have to draw for that. Okay, vertical line I completed, and trim the unwanted portion here. Okay, now I will change the view to the right, isoplane right, completing the right side portion. Okay, so that this height is 50 millimeter. Enter. Then draw the horizontal distance 20, then vertical distance is 50. Then from here it is 50 millimeter height, then it is 20. Here I am continuing, this side is some vertical line that is 50 millimeter height. Then I am change the isoplane to the left side to complete the inner features, so this side I am completing. Then right side I am enabling and completing this inner wall. Okay, towards this side, trim the excess line. Okay, now I completed. Okay, I completed the views. Now next we need to do the dimensioning. So during the drawing we need to shift the isoplane right, left, top to complete the diagram using aligned command. Okay, aligned command. Before that we will edit the dim style modify, and arrow size and text size we will change it. Text height we can change it to, for example, 5, and symbols and the arrow size is 5, and text alignment is horizontal. Text alignment I'm leaving as it is, and precision single digit accuracy. Okay, set current, then close. Okay, now we start with align dimension. Left side I am doing now left side. Okay, left isoplane, selecting this 80 millimeter, then 70 millimeter height. Then I am changing to top side, isoplane top, dim aligned, selecting the 50 millimeter line, 50 millimeter dimension, then dim aligned this length 25, then this width, depth of the pocket is 15. Then I am shifting the plane to the right. Now I am using the dim align to show the height of the right side portion, width of the right side portion 20, pocket size also 20, this size also 20, 15, and this depth is 20. So I have to switch over top plane to dimension that. Okay, I do one more time. Dim aligned, 20, and repeat dim align. This distance is zoom it and then select the end point here to here 60. Now we need to do the alignment. Go to the annotate tab, dimension, oblique. I am selecting this 3 dimensions simultaneously, and these dimensions aligned with the enter. Select afterwards. I am selecting the oblique angle direction, this line. Okay, so along the 80 mm length it is aligned. Now I am selecting the 50, 25, 15, and then 80 dimension oblique, and it should be aligned with respect to the 60 mm line. Okay, I am selecting that 60 mm. Okay, it is aligned. Next I need to align the 650 mm. Okay, 50 and 750, sorry, 50 dimension oblique, it should be aligned with the this line. Okay, we can align like this. We will move and keep it as it is a 1. Yes, now okay, then 20 millimeter we have to align it. Select it, go to oblique, enter the angle, this line as a reference. Now it is intersecting little bit 20, you move little bit inside. Okay, then it is good. 20 even you can move here this side, it is fine. 75 we need to align. Select 75, then oblique angle, enter. Oblique angle we have to define this particular line. Okay, now it is aligned. I am moving here and aligned with the 60 mm dimension. Now it is aligned. Okay, and then it is look okay. So now the dimensioning is over and the entire 3D object is made using isometric projection. Thank you, students.